Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and this time I'll be showing you all another very useful tip. So in this one I'll be showing you how you can add an extra camera shutter button to the display. So the difference with this extra button is, let me just open the camera first. So the difference with this extra button is, with the default camera shutter button you cannot move it around. You can only press it to take a picture or start recording video. However, when you add the extra shutter button, it can be placed and moved around anywhere on the display there. So first of all, I'm just going to show you all how to add the extra button. So just go into the settings and scroll down to where it says shooting methods. And here you will see floating shutter button. So go ahead and turn it on. And as it says, you can take pictures with an extra shutter button. You can move anywhere on the screen. Okay, so now when I go back to the camera, as you can see, we now have this extra camera shutter button that can be placed anywhere on the screen there. So depending on how you're holding the phone, it just makes things easier. So if I was holding the phone this way, instead of having to stretch over to the default camera shutter button, especially if I'm left-handed, I could just simply press the button to take a picture. Just place the shutter button over here to the left, because I'm left-handed, and just snap the picture, as easy as that. So if you're holding it this way, you wouldn't really have to put the extra shutter button on the display there, because you could just use the default one. But I think it comes in very handy if you're holding the phone like this and you're left-handed. You can just have quicker access to the button. Also, you don't actually have to go back into the settings to turn it off when you're finished. All you can do to remove it from off the home screen, off the camera screen, sorry, just press on it and then select the little minus sign, and as you can see, it's now gone. So yeah, this was just another very useful tip that I thought I would share with you guys. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor. Also let me know if it's something that you use in the comment section down below. So remember to thumbs up and share the video, guys. If it's the first time you're watching my videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also stay tuned, more videos are on the way. Oh yeah, hit that notification bell as well so you get notified the second I upload my next video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Deuces.